Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Solution Architect PL-600. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on PL-600 is: can you discuss the options for embedding Power BI reports and dashboards into custom web applications or portals, and how would you approach integrating Power BI content securely? Your answer should be Power BI offers embedding options such as Power BI Embedded, Power BI JavaScript API, and Power BI REST API for integrating reports and dashboards into custom web applications or portals. Integrating Power BI content securely involves implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms, embedding tokens, and enforcing access controls for embedded content. Our next interview question is: how do you approach designing Power Virtual Agents chatbots to provide proactive and personalized user interactions, especially in scenarios involving customer engagement or support? Your answer should be designing conversation flows with proactive prompts, personalized recommendations, and context aware responses, leveraging customer data and preferences, and utilizing AI capabilities for sentiment analysis and recommendation energies ensures proactive and personalized user interactions in Power Virtual Agents chatbots. Our next interview question is: what are the key considerations for designing Power BI reports and dashboards for accessibility, ensuring inclusive, inclusivity for users with disabilities? Your answer should be designing reports with clear and intuitive navigation, providing descriptive alt text for visuals, ensuring color contrast for readability, and testing with screen readers and keyboard navigation ensures accessibility, compliance, and inclusivity in Power BI reports and dashboards. Our next interview question is: how do you approach designing Power Automate flows for error handling and recovery, ensuring robustness and reliability in automated processes? Your answer should be implementing error handling actions like scoop and try catch, logging error details to a central repository, and implementing retry policies with exponential backoff ensures robust error handling and recovery in Power Automate flows. Our next interview question is: can you discuss the capabilities of the Power Apps Component Framework (PCF) and how it enables custom control development for Power Apps? Your answer should be Power Apps Component Framework (PCF) allows developers to build custom controls using HTML, CSS, and TypeScript and integrate them into Power Apps applications. It provides capabilities for building rich, interactive user interface components and extending the functionality of Power Apps. Our next interview question is: what are the options for integrating Power Automate with external services or systems using custom connectors, and how do you ensure security and compliance in connector development? Your answer should be custom connectors in Power Automate allow integration with external services or systems via REST APIs or SOAP endpoints. Ensuring security and compliance involves implementing authentication mechanisms like OAuth or API keys, enforcing data encryption, and adhering to data protection regulations. Our next interview question is: how do you approach designing Power BI reports and dashboards for self-service analytics, ensuring ease of use and empowering users to drive insights from data independently? Your answer should be designing reports with intuitive navigation, interactive visuals, and guided analysis features like tooltips and drill downs ensures ease of use and self-service analytics in Power BI. Providing training resources and documentation further empowers users to explore and analyze data independently. If you are preparing for any Microsoft based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.